How to block ads on Chrome. This tutorial shows you how to stop pop-ups and intrusive advertisements while browsing. First, open the Chrome browser on your Android device. Next, tap on the three dots menu in the top right corner. Following that, tap on Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Moving forward, scroll down again to the Content section. Afterwards, tap on Pop-ups and Redirects. In addition to that, if it says sites can send pop-ups and use redirects, tap on the other option. Once there, select Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Subsequently, go back to Site Settings. Moreover, scroll down and find Intrusive Ads right below pop-ups and redirects. Afterwards, tap on Intrusive Ads to open the setting. Then, if it's currently allowed, select Ads are blocked on sites known to show intrusive or misleading ads. And that's it. If this ad blocking guide helped you browse without interruptions, give it a like, subscribe for more Chrome tips, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.